In this video, I will show you how to fix the Spotify Wrapped 2022. So if you're opening up Spotify and you haven't got your Spotify Wrapped 2022 showing, make sure to follow along with this tutorial as there are a couple of things you can try to get this resolved. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial, and the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Spotify app. So when you open up Spotify, you should actually see it on the home screen. Normally it's under this section here which says recently played. But if any reason Spotify Wrapped is not showing, then there are a few things you can try to get this resolved. It should actually be available because normally it's the first week of December. Of course, if these methods do not work for you, what you will need to do is get into touch with the Spotify support team and raise a ticket so they can look into this for you further. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom and click onto the search icon down here, and what should happen, it should be added to the browse all section. So you'll see down here you've got the 2022 wrap section. What you can do is just go ahead and simply click that, and it's going to take you across to a page with all your top tracks and artists for 2022, merchandise from your top artists as well as upcoming events, and a few other types of audio such as podcasts and episodes and things like that. So if we come back to the search bar, if any reason it's not showing in this browse section, you can come to the search, and what you want to do in the search is type 2022 wrapped. And what you want to do is select the top option, which is 2022 wrapped. Go ahead and give that a click, and you'll see what's going to happen. Again, it's going to take you to the page for the 2022 wrapped for Spotify. So as I say, if you have tried this and you still cannot find the 2022 wrap, what you will need to do is contact the Spotify support team just so they can look into your query further and help you gain access to your 2022 wrapped. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate if you drop a big thumbs up for the video and subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss out on the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.